How to set up two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can set up two WhatsApp accounts on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have an iPhone and then you use WhatsApp, you want to set up two accounts on the iPhone's version of WhatsApp. So if you open up the WhatsApp on iPhone and then you go to account over here, you can currently see there is no option to add an account, and this is actually quite surprising because Android phones have already gotten the feature to add another account on the same WhatsApp app, but for some reason iPhones does not have this. Now there could be a couple of reasons, but the only alternative solution that I can currently offer you is that you use the App Store version of WhatsApp Business. So WhatsApp Business is also a secondary app which actually generally recommended for businesses, but if you really want to use second phone number that badly, this is the only option I can offer to you, because this feature has not been rolled out to WhatsApp, because usually iPhones used to get the latest and greatest features first, but this time they chose not to add it. Maybe because they're just assuming that because as an iPhone user you just use a single SIM card because you have a single SIM slot, so that could be one of the reasons, but I'm not sure why. So currently just try to use the WhatsApp Business app instead. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.